Hello everybody, welcome back to another melting basket and empties video. I've been getting through my melts a little bit slowly recently, but I also think it's due to the fact that a lot of my basket is like massive, the sizes. So yeah, I feel like these melting baskets aren't as like consistent as I would like them to be. However, I've still been melting wax and I've still been enjoying it. So let's get through everything here. This is all my empties. What's on my hand? Oh, sorry. I saw something and I was like, what is that? Up first, from Sassy Girl Aroma, I had this, I don't know if this is bag of blocks maybe. This is an IHOP, which is pumpkin pecan waffles, maple syrup and brown sugar, caramel and coffee. IHOP is one of my like absolute favorite scents from Sassy Girl Aroma, and this bag of blocks I feel like lasted for freaking ever. But it had a medium throw, just so yummy, such a fave. I love it every time I melt it. It is one of my personal favorites from Sassy Girl. Like, will probably always repurchase, especially if I'm low. I had a ton of birdies. I had a massive souffle in Never Stop Dreaming, which was pumpkin pecan waffles, pretzel, and zucchini bread. This had a medium throw, and I said I honestly only smelled the pumpkin pecan waffles, which of course is like a favorite for me because I love pumpkin pecan waffles, but the blend on cold was so good, and I'm just sad that like the pretzel and the zucchini bread didn't really shine as well as the pumpkin pecan waffles did, but it was still fantastic. Such a good blend. Also from Birdies, I had that blueberry cheesecake. This wasn't labeled, but I think I rebagged it, but it was a blueberry cheesecake, medium throw, super yummy. I'm such a huge fan of blueberry in general, and this scent was just so good. I loved that a ton. Also from Birdies, I had Dim Buns Dough, which was cinnamon buns, cinnamon toast crunch, and coffee house. Medium throw, delicious cinnamon bun scent. I felt like the cinnamon toast crunch really just kind of like amplified the cinnamon buns. I really liked that a lot. And then also from Birdies, oh, I had this, but I forgot to mark it, but I remember. I had the Teeth, which were pumpkin spice latte and zucchini bread. This had a low throw, and it smelled like a light cinnamon, like right on top of the warmer, but maybe it had a bit of that like pumpkin spice with a little bit of the cinnamon or whatever to it, but I wasn't sure. That wasn't just like a big fan of that one. This one I didn't write down anything for, but this was Creeper, coffee bean, cinnamon buns, and maple butter frosting. This was amazing. This had like a medium to high throw, smelled intensely of coffee bean, but I loved this one. It was so good. From L3, we had Deadly Nightshade, which was blackberry jam, cranberry, strawberry passion, and a hint of something sinister. Medium to high throw. I wrote, OMG, I love berry scents so freaking much. This is so good. I will probably always repurchase this. Like, this was so good. So good. The other L3 I had was the Cookies Under the Tree, Candy Canes, Fraser Fir, Sugar Cookies, Gingerbread Bread. Medium throw, medium to high throw. This made me so ready for Christmas time. This smelled so good. Tons of peppermint with a bit of the tree. It was like quintessential Christmas. It was amazing. Like, I loved that one. From Villainous Wax, I had a snap bar of Pirate's Water, which was that oceany and chemically smell we all know and love. Medium throw, so perfect, honestly. It had that tangy, almost water scent that I love, and the throw wasn't too intense, so it blended like beautifully throughout our house without being just like really overpowering. I loved that one. From Wild Summer Designs, I had this lemon meringue pie. This had a medium throw. It smelled more like bakery lemon on warm, which I was so happy about because on cold it smelled a little bit more like clean lemon. I was very nervous, but it was a really good like lemon pound cake, lemon meringue pie type scent. Very good. From Black Magic Melts, I had strawberry iced cinnamon rolls. This had a medium throw. It was really delicious. The strawberry was shockingly the most like prominent in this. I always feel like cinnamon really can take over a blend, but the strawberry really stood out, and it had a nice kind of like bakery aspect to it. So this was super yummy. I did quite like that. I didn't write down a couple of things, but we'll get to those. From Fantasy, I had a couple of clamshells. I had The Boy Who Lived, which was salted caramel. This had a medium throw. It was like such a warm, cozy scent. Salted caramel on its own is like very smooth smelling. Like, I like and I enjoy adding it to blends because I feel like it always amplifies a blend, but on its own, it's just like so creamy. I really liked that one. The other one that we had in the clam from Fantasy was Marauder's Map, which is pumpkin bread, medium to high throw. This scent was amazing, and I want to bring back just plain pumpkin bread so bad. I've done zucchini pumpkin bread, which is also fantastic, but pumpkin bread, so good. So good. I was like in love with that. Another fantasy that I had was Blockbuster, which is Sour Patch Kids. I just melted this morning and it is intense. Very intense high throw, smells just like a Sour Patch Kid. It smells sour and like a little fizzy. It was a good melt. It was fun. I really quite like that, especially for the summertime. And then these three I didn't write anything down for. The first was from Rose Girls, which is pumpkin peanut butter cookies. Peanut butter is such a difficult fragrance oil to work with, so I can't exactly be upset, but this had no throw. Really nothing came of this, and I was very disappointed in that. This is currently melting. It's from Villainous. It's Goodnight Moon. Clean baby snuggles, bedtime stories, and a long forgotten cup of tea. It's okay. It smells like laundry, kind of. It's not terrible. Not something I would actively... Is that a bug? Is that a bug? Oh my god, what is that? Hold on. Pause. Okay, so I definitely think that was a spider. Killed it. Sorry about that, but we're keeping it in because it's real and that was scary. I hated every second of that. Anyway, last but not least, from Nerdy Wax Company, I had Mr. Smee, which was blueberry muffins, ocean water, and musk. You know how I just like casually get right back into it, but that was like a little horrifying. I'm a little bit on edge now. Anyway, this, I'm gonna be quite honest with you, I can't really give too much of feedback on because I melted it right before I went to bed. So like probably by the time it was like starting to throw, I was already gone, so I was asleep. So my bad, but there was that. So now that this is actually empty and there's no bugs, hopefully, we're good to fill it up. So I have a lot to pull. I feel like there's gonna be a bit before another melting basket because I probably pulled too much. So let's get started. I do have a loaf. I think this is, yes, one of the ones that Andrea de-stashed. This is from The Pharmacist's Daughter. I think this is another one that I think she made this one. It is Zouk Coffee Ice Cream, Zucchini Bread Coffee House, and Vanilla Ice Cream. That's fantastic. The vanilla ice cream doesn't really stand out. It's mostly coffee house and zucchini bread, but I'll take it. I'm stoked on that. From L3 Waxy Wonders, I have some more fluted tarts. This is in Dread Pirate Roberts, Tropical Winds, White Nectarine, Pink Coral, Driftwood, and Sea Salt. It's gonna be perfect for the summertime. Yeah. What am I smelling? I think I'm smelling that White Nectarine. It's very like a light fruity with like a hint of the sea. Does that make sense? I don't know. That's kind of nice, especially around the summertime. From Rose Girls, I have Cotton Candy Frosting, just plain cotton candy frosting. Very sweet. I do really love cotton candy frosting, so on its own, it is quite nice. I have this from Birdie's, which is so pretty, but I don't even know how I'm gonna cut this. I might have to like, because this is her older wax, I might be able to just kind of, yeah, like pull things apart because I just have no idea, but it was beautiful. This is I Made a Grave Mistake, blend of nutmeg and cinnamon layered in applewood and cedar grass, has a slight hint of toasted marshmallow. It honestly just smells like grass to me, I'm not gonna lie, but we'll melt her. I don't even know how she's gonna fit in here. She's just gonna have to stay. More from Birdie's. I have these onion rings, super cute. These are round as a shape, Captain Crunch berries and tea and cakes. Delicious. I love, love, love tea and cakes. Another from Birdie's is this little loaf here. It is zucchini pumpkin bread. We were just chatting about zucchini pumpkin bread. Fantastic. Love it. So excited for that. From L3, I have one of the bougie bars. This is in Anticipation. The scent will make you shiver with anticipation. Apple. Apple? Is that the only scent note? No, there's something else in this. It's like bakery apple. It's good. I like that. I'll put it here, I guess. From That Smell Good shop, I have zucchini brickle, zucchini pastries, and vanilla crunch. This was a customer blend. It smells like zucchini pastries and vanilla. I don't think I've ever smelled that before. I mean, obviously I've smelled this before, but anything like this. That's really good. I actually really like that. It's like a really creamy bakery. I have two here from Black Magic Melts. I've melted this before. This was from the Plana Hannah collab. This is called Crisp, Peppermint Swirl, and Birthday Cake. I really enjoyed it when I melted it last time. I have quite a few of these because Andrea de-stashed some of them to me, and I think this one was actually mine. It's so good. I love it so much. The other Black Magic melts that I have is blueberry cobbler and zucchini bread. There we go. I love a good blueberry, so that is amazing. Speaking of blueberry, I have 2 from Fantasy Wax of Chamber of Secrets, which is blueberry cheesecake. I just melted a blueberry cheesecake, but I'm honestly so excited. And to have 2 of them, stoked, honestly. I have this, which was gifted to me, sampled out to me from Hannah. This is from VCS, which is the Abominable Snowman of Pasadena, peppermint cream, sweet peppermint, icy peppermint, and creme de menthe. I am not going to smell this just because I remember when I smelled it the last time, it like completely ruined my senses and I couldn't smell anything else for a while, but I know it's very intense peppermint, so that's also going to be quite nice to have. Another birdies that I have here is this cute little candy cane. Candy cane, pink sugar, and vanilla bean Noel. That's another good peppermint scent. A lot of peppermint and like blueberry up in here. I have a scent shot cup here from Nerdy Wax. Super cute. This is Very Merry on Birthday, which is supposed to smell like birthday cake. That it does. That it does. It does smell like birthday cake. I have another shot cup. This one's from Fantasy Wax. It's Adam's Family, which is frosted pumpkin cupcake. It almost smells like pumpkin bread. That smells so good. And then last but not least, my little freebie is from Sassy Girl Roma. It is Comfort. I don't know what that is. It smells like a creamy summer scent though. It smells quite nice. So, she's a big one, but we are ready to melt her. So that's gonna be it for my melting basket and empties video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye guys.